I want to know what you say for smart ass, smart mouth.
We don't say smart mouth. We say smart ass
because you guys are rude.
No!
Of course.
We are not rude. We tell it like it is because it's short. It's an abbreviation for smart mouth asshole. So smart ass, you're being a smart mouth asshole.
You know that?
We're just pointing it out.
Do you know that rapper Drake?
Do I know that rapper Drake?
Yeah.
Probably only because you talk to me about Drake every time I see you.
Did I?
Yes.
Because I heard in some of his clips, like with this one comedian guy, was on a basketball court.
Yeah.
With their poses when they are making like, I don't know, like slam dunks or whatever, like, you know.
Okay.
And one of them was like, there was one basketball player. His name is DeMar, I believe.
Okay. Yeah.
And Drake was making funny of him about his name and like, the more I hear it, the less I like it, kind of. Like, you know. And he said something, and Drake said, smart mouth, what's your name? Right?
Oh, really?
So that's why I know smart mouth, not smart ass.
That's cute. That's like the PG you're being recorded version. And clearly I'm being recorded, but I'm not afraid to say. We're not turning. I said go straight.
You did say left.
I said go straight!
I have it on camera.
Did everybody hear that? 1.1 miles, he can turn left. She just yelled at me. Oh, you're supposed to turn left on Tillman. Why the hell are we in the right lane? I'm so happy!